Hey guys, that's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you guys know, on the new the build of the F150, the 2020 XLT Sport that we've just picked up, we're going to continue doing some more stuff to it. Today's video, we're going to be removing this air dam from the bottom bumper here. I think it's supposed to, I don't know, it's supposed to have the air go underneath the car better, have more aerodynamic, better fuel mileage. But I think if we take it off, it's going to make the truck look a little taller. Makes it look more sporty, I think. I don't really like the way it comes down like that. I took it off my XLT, or sorry, the STX 2018, and it looks really good. So we're gonna go ahead and take it off. It's really not that hard. There's just a bunch of probably 10 millimeter bolts all around the bottom, and we're just gonna take it off, and then we'll see how it looks. So let's go ahead and get the socket set out, and then we're gonna go ahead and take this off and see how it looks. But this is a before. So you'll see right here, this is before. So set the camera up and get started. So it's gonna be a 10 millimeter. All right, let's freaking do this. All right, now it's got these clips. Which I can just break off. All right. Bam, there we go. All right. So there we go. That is air dam removal. I think it definitely makes the truck look taller up in the front. And yeah, that looks pretty dope, man. Got the screws on the floor. I gotta clean that stuff up. But looking at it from right here, yeah, I like that look. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. I think it's just the small things, man. It's just the small things that just look good. Yeah, it makes it look taller in the front, makes it actually look a little bit more level. So I'm actually excited about that. It was really easy. I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 7, 8 bolts, and then I had to rip the this piece right here. It was like sticking up like that. So you just use your hand, you can pull it off, and it rips off. So there you guys go. That is the air dam removal. Will I get less gas mileage? Maybe. It's probably not even noticeable. The only thing I don't like about the front is the open lower grille like that. I don't like that. My old 5.0, it was cut off, it was blocked off. So I don't really like how it's open like that. I know the EcoBoosts have the open lower grille, but I'd rather it be closed off. So I actually might look into getting the closed off lower grille portion, or maybe I put a light bar there, something. But yeah, so that is that's the truck, guys. Let's see how it looks on the side. Oh yeah, it looks good. I like it. It looks really good, actually. Wow, actually it makes it look good. It makes a huge difference, actually. I didn't realize how much different that would look, but yeah, because it looked like lower to the ground. So like people take the side steps off. I wouldn't take the side steps off. I like them. Makes the truck look wider, but people take them off because it makes the truck look taller. But I personally like the side steps, so I'm gonna keep them on. But there you guys go. If you have any questions, guys, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next video for the next mod update. Peace.